Hello everyone. Welcome to Football Updates. Friends, UEFA announced the draw for round of 16 of Champions League yesterday. But, soon after the announcement of the draw, UEFA was forced to declare the Champions League draw null and void, after a series of mistakes were made during the process. This created a lot of controversy and drama around the fans across the globe. As the initial draw was made in Nyon, there was a hiccup when Villarreal were initially drawn against United. But the two teams had already met in Group F, so the former Arsenal forward Andre Arshavin was asked to draw another team. But, United's ball was not then included in the draw when Arshavin drew Atletico Madrid, despite the Premier League club being a legitimate potential opponent for the Spanish side. Instead, Liverpool's ball was included in the pot of Atletico's potential opponents, despite Jurgen Klopp's side playing the Spanish club in the group stages. Manchester United ended up being drawn against French giants Paris Saint-Germain, while Atletico Madrid ended up against the mighty Bayern Munich. Well, the fans around the world were really excited after the first draw, because they are going to witness Messi-Ronaldo rivalry one more time. But their excitement lasted for only a short period of time, as UEFA announced to conduct the draw again. Prior to all these mishappening, UEFA said in a statement, following a technical problem with the software of an external service provider, that instructs the officials as to which teams are eligible to play each other. A material error occurred in the draw for the UEFA Champions League round of 16, and hence the draw was cancelled and a new draw was conducted. So, the draw was redone soon after the cancellation of first one, with Manchester United drawn to face Atletico Madrid, and Real Madrid paired with Paris Saint-Germain. But, the decision to repeat the Champions League last 16 draw did not go well for Real Madrid, who is thought to be angry with the state of affairs. The Spanish giants are not happy with UEFA because they believe their draw against Benfica is legal, and without any defects. The La Liga leaders consider replaying the draw a scam, because their tie has been made before any mistakes. While fans, pundits and journalists also reacted on this controversy, as some believe it was a complete scam by UEFA, while some believe that it was just an technical error. However, this is not the first time that UEFA draw has been questioned. In the past also there were a lot of errors done by UEFA, due to which the question has arisen, whether UEFA draws done fairly, or do they draw matches according to promotion, so they can make more money. Friends, tell us in comment section that what do you think, whether the draw was a complete scam, or just an technical failure. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.